Install Clipclaps from Play Store. And click Accept. And then click Open. Click Continue with Facebook. Click Continue As. Input your birth date. And then choose your avatar and click Next. Play the video to get your first rewards of clapcoins and $1. Click the rewards icon at the mid bottom and then click the blue chest and tap the treasure chest box. And tap, 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 and tap. Click the green one to get the instant $1. Tap 1 and click confirm. And congratulations, you got your $1. Now let's check your account balance. Click the money icon at the top. And that's your balance. You can withdraw point in dollar if you want. Now let's redeem another $1. Click that redeem at the upper right corner. Type the code to get the instant $1. That's it. Good redeem. Click continue.